Alright, so let's do a video on today. Today work was, it was quiet. It wasn't the best day. However, it was really good because me and Tim just had the car to ourselves, and it was good to catch up with him because it's been a while. And that's what we did. We talked and did work, obviously, and it was a good day. I got this dodgy lawnmower because the other one was dodgy, so we got this one. But this one had a massive crack right here, and eventually it's completely snapped. So I told Dave I'm sick of this. He's two shitty lawnmowers because he never fixes anything. I said I'm bringing this home and I'm welding it. So Dad, I should say me, but Dad welded it, and she's good. That is very strong and not going anywhere. So today has been eventful. We have pulled the lawnmower apart, welded it, fixed it, snapped the string, then refixed that. I'm got to pressure wash it and clean it later. And now I'm just packing up the shed. But yeah, it's been a good day. I can't say much really. Work was alright, work wasn't crazy, but it was good, and it was good to do some old routes again. I really enjoyed catching up with Tim, and oops, I better clean that up. I better try and focus when I do that. But yeah, it's been a good day, and I'm glad today is what it is. Yeah, so I'm gonna go and spray paint this black and make it look new again. But yeah, very happy. I'm gonna focus. Today won't consist of much. I might just go back and white and get another tier 10, nearly there, and call it quits. Bye.